Where the wild things are!
This is the puppet class.
Thank you.
We're putting on a show.
What's the show you're gonna put on?
Where the wild things are? We're making Nance. It rolls a yellow eye.
Hey, Nance, there. Terrible. Hey, boy, stick your hand in this bucket and you go. Can I hear that? Ooh. And then you fold it over just like it was a peanut butter sandwich. Get your fingers to do sit-ups. Now let's get our fingers to dance the Watusi. Hey! Hey! Pull your nose out.
Yeah.
Yay! It's probably going to fall apart a little bit because puppets always fall apart when you first make them. Okay? Halim, you're so good at this. Don't bump against him. And then turn around and go after him.
Wild thing.
Forest. No! Where's the music? And where's our boingy boingy? More, Sarah. Stop, everybody. Anna Rosa, your whole vine just tipped. Why did that happen? There you go. Oh, gentle, God. Gentle, please.
Gentlemen of street theaters